All right, so what we're going to be doing is you are going to be designing your own four set plate designs, okay? So here's how it's going to work. I will post a document with all of the directions, but I just wanted to go over it with you via video. So grab yourself a piece of paper. If you have any paper bags, those work great. Any paper you can find, like this cereal box works well too. If you just use blank copy paper, that also works too. These other brown paper are just a little bit more sturdy. You're gonna find 2 plates in your house, all right? And you want 2 different sizes, okay? So you're gonna have 2 different size plates. What you're gonna do is you're just going to place the plate right on top of the paper, okay, just like this. And you're just gonna take a pencil and you're gonna draw around the plate, all right? So now you've got a circle on there, okay? And then all you're gonna do is cut it out. That's it, all right? And you'll be left with a paper with a hole in it, all right? And you'll have 2 different sizes, okay? So step 1 in this project is to take your circular hole and walk around your house as well as outside, okay? I'm gonna require that at least one design has to be developed outside to hopefully get you some fresh air and get some activities going outside. And all you're going to do is walk around, and this is like a viewfinder, okay? You're gonna walk around, you're gonna look at things through the circle and decide what would be a cool plate design out of things that you already have. All right, so on the document that I'm going to include, there will be a lot of different examples for you to see, but you could do bathroom tiles, you could do a carpet, you can even lay things out and arrange it and then put your viewfinder over the top of it, okay? But I want you to find 8 different designs. All right, and again, these can be, you can use grass outside, flowers, curtains. You can kind of put 2 things together and make a cool composition, all right? But you want 8 different designs. Now, each time you create a design in your viewfinder, you're gonna take your phone or whatever you have, you're gonna snap a picture, all right? Because you need to have evidence of 8 different designs. So I've got a blanket here that I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna put my viewfinder right about there, all right? And that's gonna be one of my 8, and I would take a picture of that, and then I would move on with my viewfinder and find other designs, okay? So step 1, take 8 photographs, all right? Step 2, you are going to design a 4-plate set based on one of those photographs you took, all right? So I brought this for my demo because I ended up doing this, taking a photograph, right? And you only want to photograph the circle, all right, and the brown paper, so all this is cut out of the photograph. But, so I've got 8 different designs. Then I'm going to pick one to base my 4-plate design on, okay? So I'm going to use this to base my 4-plate design on. I've taken a photograph of that along with the other 7, all right? And then you're just going to sketch out 4 plates, all right? So all you're going to do is take your pencil, and if you want to, you can use a plate to make a nice perfect circle, okay? Or if you want to, you can kind of do it by hand, all right? And I'm gonna really take a good look at the photograph of this, and I'm gonna design 4 different plate designs based on it. So I'm gonna sketch out some diamonds because I see those in those plate designs. I also see some different size stripes. All right, there's an inner diamond here. And I'm gonna sketch out 4 different plate designs. And then, if you have the option to add color to them, I'd like you to do that as well. So these are the 4 different plate designs that I came up with based on this image that I took. All right, now again, you're gonna be taking 8 images total, All right, so you're gonna pick one of those designs, one of those images, all right, and you're gonna create 4 different plate designs based on one image, all right? So step 3 is gonna be to submit your work, all right? So step 1 is you're gonna find the 8 designs with your viewfinder, okay? And you're gonna take 8 different photos of cool compositions around your house as well as outside, okay? Step 2 is you're gonna pick your favorite one of those and you're going to sketch a 4-plate set design based on one of those images, all right? And then step 3, you're gonna submit it. So all you need to do is create a Google document. You're gonna drop in the 8 photographs you took, and then you're gonna drop in a photograph of your plate designs, all right? And then you're gonna send it to me, okay? You're gonna share it with me, april.caspari@ncsuvt.org. All right, questions? Email me. This has already gotten way longer than I meant for it to, so I'm gonna cut it short here. And everything's also explained in the document as well, all right? If you guys need anything, let me know. I miss you guys so much and I cannot wait to see these plate designs in 2 weeks, due May 8th, okay? Rock and roll.